Let go of the clutch slowly. Put it in first. Yeah, you got it. There you go. Alright, go ahead and stop. There you go. Alright, try to turn around. Good job. Make sure it's in first. And give it some more gas. You're in the sand. Alright, stop. Alright, I'll help you.